So this is my little noise maker, Sasha. She acts like she wants to come out the cage, but she really doesn't, because if I open it, she runs away. Good morning, Sasha. Can you say good morning to the friends? Can you say good morning? Hey, Sasha. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning. She has only came out of her cage one time, and I think she just loves her cage so much. Now look at her running away. She's running away. And then there's Brooklyn down there making all the noise. Now see, she's looking at Brooklyn like, why is she making that noise? So for bird day, I think I should show you my bird. So I did. Well, I figured I should show you my bird, so I did, because it's bird day. You see all her pretty colors? She's a peach face lovebird, and she has a blue tail, if you could see it. And she's green, and she's peach on her face. Are you gonna say good morning? You see yourself? Do you see yourself, Sasha? Can you say good morning? Okay, friends. See you later.